I welcome you all for this lecture. So this is a physics CET class. Then the previous video were discussed the four different the multiple choice questions. Then that is depends on the Ohm's law. If the Ohm's law, that is V is directly proportional to I and V is equal to IR, the R is directly proportional to L by A and R is equal to rho L by A, where rho is a resistivity and the SI unit of R is ohm and the SI unit of resistivity is ohm meter, and the equation for resistivity is M divided by N E square 2. That were discussed in previous video also. Then today we'll see the next question, multiple choice question, that is fifth question. A piece of wire of resistance 4 ohm is bent through 180 degree at its midpoint and the two halves are twice together. Then the resistance is option A 8 ohm, option B 1 ohm, option C 2 ohm and option D 5 ohm. A piece of wire of resistance 4 ohm is bent through 180 degree at its midpoint and the two halves are twice together. Then the resistance is how much we will find. So see, we'll see the relation, that is the R is equal to rho L by A. R is equal to rho L by A. Then the effectively the procedure halves the length and doubles the area, length and doubles the area. Then this equation R, I will write R is equal to rho, that is L by 2. Okay, that is because the length is halved, okay, half of that divided by the area is doubled. So area I will write as a 2A, it is doubled, so that is 2A. So that equal to, rewrite this equation, that is rho L by A into 1 divided by 4. So that equal to, I will write rho naught divided by 4. Okay, because rho L by A is R resistance is equal to R is equal to rho L by A and R naught by 4. Okay, and that is the, in this equation, if it is R naught by 4, then the this equal to, I will write this value is 4 ohm, R naught value is 4 ohm. Okay, and that is given, that is the in question only given, the piece of wire has the resistance 4 ohm. So that is the R naught value is 4 ohm and therefore 4 divided by 4, that is 1 ohm. Okay, so option B is correct, that is 1 ohm is the answer for this question. Like this you should solve the using relation R is equal to rho L by A. Then the next problem, we'll go through the next one. The resistance of a wire of uniform diameter D and length L is R. The resistance of another wire of same material but the diameter 2D and length 4L will be. Okay, so you may see this question. Okay, so that is the resistance of the wire is uniform and that is having the diameter T and the length L. Then the R, that is R, and the resistance of another wire is of the same material but that is having diameter 2D and length 4L, and that will be option A 2R, option B R, option C R by 2, and option D R by 4. Then we will find this, the how much the resistance will be. Okay, so we'll see again the relation. Okay, that is the R is equal to rho L by A. R is equal to rho L by A. Okay, and the A is the area. Okay, then the here the resistance of the wire. Okay, that wire is having the area pi d square by 4. Okay, so area I will write the value, that is pi d square by 4. Okay, this is the area of the that wire, resistance wire. So rewrite this equation, numerator 4 it will come, denominator goes to numerator, that is 4 rho L divided by pi d square, 4 rho L divided by pi d square. Suppose this is the R value, then for another resistance R dash, okay, and that is having the value, suppose I will write the 4 rho L, okay, R dash is equal to 4 rho in bracket the length, okay, the length of that another wire is 4L. So L, instead of L I will write 4L. Okay, that is there for your question. Okay, that is mentioned in the problem, that is length is 4L for second wire and divided by pi. Okay, then the diameter is 2D. For second wire the diameter is 2D square. So by solving this 2D square, okay, I will write 4 rho in bracket the 4L divided by pi 4t square. 1 4 4 get cancelled, so that is equal to 4 rho L divided by pi d square. Okay, and this is exactly equal to this equation. Okay, 4 rho L divided by pi d square. So R value and R dash value are same, therefore R is equal to R dash. So it is equal, R dash is equal to R. So options B is correct. So the value of it will be R only. Like this we should solve the problem using the R is equal to rho L by A relation. Then we'll see the next one. The next question, a piece of wire is cut into 4 equal parts. A piece of wire is cut into 4 equal parts and the pieces are bundled together side by side to form the thick wire. Compared with that of the original wire, the resistance of the bundle is the same. Option A is the same. Option B is, that is 1 by 4. the option A is the same, option B is 1 by 4, option C is 1 by 8, or option D is 1 by 16. So the piece of wire is cut into 4 equal parts and the pieces are bundled together side by side to form a thick wire as compared to that of the original wire. Okay, the resistance of the bundle you should find. Then we'll see how to find the resistance of the bundle. Then suppose the length, okay, the length L, okay, that is obviously it is 1 by 4 A, okay, length A. That is, suppose I will write the L by A, okay, so length is 4, original length of the wire is L, we cut it as a 4 equal parts, therefore the length will be L by 4, okay, so L by 4 into A, or this I may write as a, suppose that is the 4A, okay, 4A, so L get cancel, okay, so that is 4A. Then if the R naught is equal to rho L by A, the resistance R naught is equal to rho L by A, then the, suppose the R new, okay, the new resistance R new is equal to, I will write rho L is a L by 4, okay, we cut it as 4 times divided by 4A, okay, rho L is a, length is a L by 4 because we cut that to as a 4 equal parts divided by 4A. Area is a 4A. Then if it is the rho L by 4 divided by 4A, then this is equal to, I will write, suppose this is equal to rho L divided by 16A. Rewrite this equation, that is rho L divided by 16A, or then the what is R naught value? R naught value is rho L by A. Then rho L by A I will write as a R naught divided by 16. So 1 by 16 is the answer. Option D is the answer for this question. Like this you should solve using the relation rho L by A. R is equal to rho L by A. The next question, the length of given cylindrical wire is increased by 100% due to the consequent decrease in diameter. The change in resistance of the wire will be option A 200%, option B 100%, option C 50%, option D 300%. Okay, so this is asked for JEE Mains 2003. So the length of given cylindrical wire is increased by 100% due to the consequent decrease in diameter. The change in the resistance of the wire will be, is it 200% or 100% or 50% or 300%? We'll see. Then see here, suppose length of the wire will be suppose L, and if the radius will be small r, then the resistance R is equal to, okay, suppose the length L is a length of the wire, okay, length of the wire, and small r is the radius of the wire, small r is the radius of the wire. Then the resistance R is equal to rho 1 divided by pi r square. Okay, so that is the L by resistance R is equal to rho L divided by pi r square. It is L is the length and area will be pi r square. That is the resistivity. Rho is what? Resistivity, and R is the resistance, L is the length, and area is pi r square. Then now the length is increased by 100%. Okay, now length is increased by 100%. Then the equation, suppose therefore the L dash is equal to L plus 100 L divided by 100. Okay, so 100 it is 1 L plus 1 L, that is 2 L. Okay, if you should increase the length by 100%, then the length will be 2L. L dash as a 2L. As length is increased, its radius is going to be increased. Obviously, the radius is also increased in such a way that the volume of the cylinder remains constant. You should increase the radius of the object in such a way that the volume of the cylinder remains constant. Then suppose the area, you may write, that is pi r square into L. Okay, so that equal to, I will write the pi r dash square into L dash, because you should not change the value. So area is area into length. Okay, area dash into length dash. Okay, so that is the pi r square into L and pi r dash square into L dash. Both are equal. If both are equal, then what is the r dash square value? Okay, using this equation, I will write r dash square value. So what is the r dash square value? So r dash square is equal to r square into L divided by L dash, and that equal to, I will write r square into L divided by 2L. Okay, because L dash is equal to 2L. L dash is 2L. By resolving this one, pi get cancelled. Okay, then the r dash square is equal to L dash, take this side. Okay, that is r square L by L dash, that equal to r square L divided by 2L, because L dash is equal to 2L. Then if it is the, that equal to L get cancelled, r square by 2. R dash square value is what? That is r square by 2. Then therefore the new resistance, okay, the new resistance R dash, that equal to rho L dash divided by pi r dash square. Okay, that is resistance R is equal to rho L by A. So R dash is equal to rho L dash divided by pi r dash square. So that equal to, I will write rho L dash as a 2L divided by pi r dash square as a r square by 2. R dash square is r square by 2. 2 take the numerator. So rho get cancelled, pi get cancelled, remaining term is only, it is the 4r. Okay, the remaining term is only 4r. Therefore, the new rations r dash is equal to rho l dash divided by pi r dash square, that equal to rho 2l divided by pi r square by 2. So by solving this, you will get 4r. Therefore, the change in resistance is equal to r dash minus r, that is 4r minus r, that is 3r. Therefore, the change in resistance is 3r. Then the percentage of change is equal to, that is 3r by r into 100%. So that is r get cancelled. It is 300%. Therefore, the option D is correct. That is 300%. So therefore, the length L, if the L is the length of the wire, small r is the radius of the wire, then r is equal to rho L by pi r square. Now the length is increased by 100%. Then the L dash is equal to L plus 100 L by 100. So that is 100 get cancelled. L plus L is 2L. 2L is equal to L dash. If the length is increased and its radius is going to be decreased in such a way that the volume of the cylinder remains constant. Therefore, the volume, area into length is a volume. So A into L is equal to A dash into L dash. So A area pi r square by L. Okay, area is pi r square by L, and the equal to pi r dash square by into L dash. That gives r dash square is equal to pi get cancelled. R dash square is equal to r square into L divided by L dash. R square into L divided by L dash. That equal to r square L by 2L. Therefore, r square by 2 is a r dash square. And therefore, the new resistance r dash is equal to rho L dash divided by pi r dash square. That equal to rho L dash value is 2L and r dash square is r square by 2. By solving this, you will get r dash value as a 4r. Then, therefore, the change in resistance is equal to r dash minus r, that is 4r minus r, that equal to 3r. Then the percentage of change is equal to 3r by r into 100%, that equal to 300%. Therefore, option D is the correct answer for this question. Like this, you should solve the problems. So, for next video, again we will solve some problems. Till then, take care. Bye bye.